Hey guys, it's Colleen. So I have an unboxing, but it is going to be too big for me to open it with you guys. So I will open this and then we'll take a look. All right, be right back. All right, guys. Unlike my last package that I just got today, this one was well packed. So I just thought I'd try to show that. Give me a second. Hey guys, so I am back. So this is what I picked up. This was a mistake. I remember when I was ordering my my notebook and the pencil case, I was trying to order like the regular wristlet, and I made a mistake and ordered this one again. So now I have two of those, so I guess I'm gonna have to send this one back. I don't think I want two of those. All right, and then I'll have to see if the regular wristlet is still available. But then again, I have to pay shipping, but we'll see. So I got these two pieces, and then I got, you can probably tell what that is. So let's open these two. So this is the cherry. I thought that this was really pretty. I haven't seen, I didn't see it online, in person or anything, but I thought it was cute. It doesn't have the wow factor that I thought it would have. I still like it. And I was wishing that this came in a Rowan, but I think I'm going to be happy that this came in a station tote. That'll get me to try the station tote. And I love a big purse. All right, so here we go. So that is the name of this one. And we got fabric lined, but this one actually has a little tag on the inside. The other one did not, or I didn't see it. So I'm going to look again. I think the black one is just a lot prettier than the white one. So I did not, oh, okay, I missed it. So there is one in there. All right. Okay, so that's that. All right, so let's open the bag that comes with it. So that's what it looks like. That's the description. Nice and factory wrap. Give me a second. Okay, so that's how it comes. I think Coach does a really good job of trying to figure out how this can get messed up and doing everything they can to prevent it. Because they know we will send something back in a heartbeat. So that is what it looks like. On the bottom, it does not have feet. All right. It is a very nice size. I like that we got a pocket up front. I don't have any of the other ones, the station totes. So this will be my first time experiencing this. Really nice. That is fabric lined. And then, see, you're not going to get any indentations because they want to make sure you didn't. They even had, I guess this was like this. I watch other content creators, and they're most people, they complain about how wrapped up it is. I never do. I really appreciate the wrapping, because like I said, if they didn't, it would get all scratched up and stuff, and we'd send it back. So I guess they have learned over the years they better wrap it and wrap it well. Anyway, let's take a look at this thing. All right, so that's, I have I have another tag that's black that I'm gonna have to remember what bag I had it on last. I think I'm going to get it and put it behind this one. And it's going to be interesting to see what I would come up with as a charm for this. I wonder if I want black cherries or red cherries. It's going to be interesting to see what would be cute with this. All right. So that is a look around the purse. I like that we got handles that will fold down. All right, let's look on the inside. This feels nice and soft. I am really pleased with this. And my notebook can go in here too. So we got a nice big cavity here. We got the two slip pockets up front. And you got the one zipper pocket in the back with the leather pull. Let's get our sensor out of there. Very nice. And let me see. these goodies in there. This in there, put that in there. And I would totally wear this with it. So, that is what I had to share with you guys today. I am really liking this. The leather feels amazing. And then I got that to go with it. I don't guess I would need 2 of these, but you never know. I still got a ton of room. Anyway, that is what I had to share today, guys. And I would love to know if you guys picked this up. And what do you think? And I will talk to y'all later. Bye. Wait a minute. I forgot something. So, I forgot the one that I was really waiting on. I hate that they didn't have this in the large Rowan. So, here it is. Look how nice and wrapped this one is. So cute. Oh, I love this. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. It is better than the white one. And I'm trying to decide. I think I'm going to wear this one today. I'm excited. Every little piece is wrapped for protection. And that sounded like something else, didn't it? So here we go. And that usually has branding on it. I'm glad that they have this kind of wrapping, because that linen type of wrapping that they had, I don't know if that's like for the outlet or, I mean, for the retail side or whatever. But that linen wrapping was a little hard to come off. All right, so here we go. This is what the strap looks like. And I'm wondering if I would like my guitar strap better on this. I don't know. Maybe the thin leather strap is a little more elegant on here, because this purse looks a little, in my opinion, looks a little kind of dressy. You know, look how cute she is. But I do have that other Rowan that I got like a few months back. It came with a guitar strap. It was black, and I'm wondering if it would be cute with this. But anyway, guys, you got the little zipper pocket with and it's fabric lined on the inside. No feet. That's what it looks like on the side and the other side. So pretty. And they got this stuff. And, I like how structured this is. I know a lot of people are into the sagging and all that. I tolerate the sagging, but I don't care for it. I like a structured bag. All right, so we got that dark interior. And we even hide pencil marks and stuff. Leather pull. Got the crate back here. And got our sensor. And then we got the 2 slip pockets in the front. Really, really cute, guys. And hold on a second. Okay, guys, I'm back. I had to go see what this would look like. So, a few months ago, I bought this bag. And this is my personal tag that I bought, the extra tag to go with it. But this bag comes with this big guitar strap. And so I was wondering if that would be cute with this. So let's see if it would, you know, make it, would it take away from it? Looks like it's a different color black, but I don't know. I like it. I would probably switch it out. You know, use the leather strap a little bit and then use this a little bit. I think it's cute. I don't think it takes away from it too much. I think this does look better. But what do y'all think? So I'm going to take this off. And then I have some combinations to try. All right, so I don't know. Yeah, I think of these cherries with this. Where's the little... Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's see what that looks like. Well, let me see. Oh, it's this one. Okay. Let's see. What does that look like? I think it's kind of cute. Is that one better? Well, this one has silver, but that doesn't really bother me. This is a little more like mauvey, but I think it's cute with that. All right, gold. I don't think the gold looks that good with it. Then regular red. The regular red might be better. Let's see. So I got two of those. Got this kind and then this kind. This one definitely looks a little cheaper, but it stands out a little bit more. I don't know. This one. I don't know. I don't know which one I like the best. I'm leaning toward this one, even though that one looks cheaper. Let's see. I don't know. I do like that. I don't know. I would love to know what y'all think. And then I had these dice. Ooh, did I break that? Oh. All right. No on those. And then I have this that I haven't used yet, but I think that would go with that a little. But anyway, and then I have the larger tag here. I think it would get lost on this one, but on the white one it would be cute. So hold on. Okay, so I went and put my black hang tag on this one. Now it does have the gold chain on there, but that doesn't bother me. But even if it did, I probably have another purse that has a silver one that I can switch it out. Okay, and then I'm trying to see what would be cute. I think that would be cute. I think this one. And then let's see what this one looks like. I think I'm gonna have to go with the cherries. Yeah, I think that. But I would love to know what you guys think. Now I have to decide which one I'm going to wear. I'm really more excited for this one. It is a lot smaller. Oh, I wish this was a large Rowan. But I might go ahead and wear this one. All right, so y'all tell me what y'all got, what you picked up. What do you think about this? And I will talk to y'all later. Bye. Hey guys, I am just playing around with some accessories, and I was looking at this. I was like, if this wasn't gold, this would be perfect for this, I think. And then I forgot to show you guys that I had a tea rose, and so I'm thinking of adding this as well. I don't think it would be too much. I think it'd be cute, right? So that is what I wanted to share. But wouldn't that be perfect if that was silver? Usually I don't care about mixing metals, but I think that would clash a little too much. But wouldn't that be pretty if that was silver? All right, so that's all I wanted to come back and say, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye. So I said that I was going to go with the white one. I think I'm going with this one today. It just excites me. I just really like this one a little bit better. So that is what my setup is going to look like. So I thought I would share that with y'all. All right, bye.